Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to post 360 photo in Google Maps. All right, let's begin. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then, open Google Maps on your device. Once the app is open, search for the location where you want to upload your 360 photo. After selecting the location, swipe up to access more details. Tap on the Photos section to continue. Next, look for the Add a Photo option on the right side and tap on it. You may need to allow permissions to access your camera or gallery. Now, choose whether you want to take a new 360 photo using your camera or upload an existing one from your gallery. Select your 360 image and confirm your choice. Your 360 photo will be uploaded and visible on Google Maps. So that's basically how you can post 360 photo in Google Maps. That's it for this video. Thanks.